Hey everyone, I'm excited to share one of my favorite backyard essentials, the Mirador Deck Box Horizon. So this is perfect for keeping everything organized while still looking super sleek. So this is definitely my kind of storage box. Let me show you why it's become an essential part of my outdoor space. So I put all my outdoor furniture cushions. Just look at this space. I still have room for more. This one has an impressive storage capacity of 175 gallons. And we can store up to 220 pounds in this box. I have plenty of space, so I'm going to store some of my workout gear in here, like my yoga mat and dumbbells, so they're easy to grab whenever I want to work out in the backyard. I kept a lot of stuff and it still got room, so perfect for keeping pool essentials, garden tools, kids' outdoor toys. So this box handles it all. Here's one of the features I love the most. The lid has a soft close feature. No more loud slamming, so it opens and closes so smoothly. The edges of the box are smooth, so there is no need to worry about accidentally bumping into sharp corners. We also kept an LED light inside, so this is totally optional. We did this and it did make a huge difference. So at night, this is how it looks like. We can clearly see what's inside the box. It's on wheels, so we can lock the wheels. So after we lock all the 4 wheels, we can either use our hand or foot to lock them. It stays completely in place and it wouldn't even move a bit. I'm gonna unlock the wheels. So moving it around the patio or deck is super easy. We just have to give it a push, no heavy lifting needed. This is made from aluminum and galvanized steel, so it's very sturdy and looks great. Yet another amazing feature is its waterproof design along with a smart drainage system. So this will ensure everything inside stays dry no matter the weather. There are tiny holes inside the box, so this is the built-in water drainage system. I can even leave the box outside during heavy rain and I don't have to worry about my cushions or tools getting damaged. So this is due to the efficient waterproofing and drainage system. I'm gonna open the box and let's see what happened inside. Look at this. So everything stayed completely dry and protected. This is awesome. Another great thing, this deck box comes with a 15-year warranty. So we're not just getting something for the short term, it's built to last. When I host outdoor parties, I like to beautify this box. So I'm gonna keep some flowers and this enjoy sign. How about the installation process? The easiest installation ever. The whole process was smooth and straightforward. Enjoy this time lapse. I'm gonna quickly show you guys how we installed this deck box. So it came in a really nice box and everything was well packaged. We unboxed the deck box. Next we're going to take all the parts out. So no special tools or welding required, just fasteners, and all the simple tools are provided in the box. Comes with a detailed instruction manual, so the assembly is pretty straightforward. So let's have some fun installing the deck box. The first step is to attach the 4 casters to the bottom of the base plate. Once that's done, we gotta install the 4 pillars on the base plate. Put the screw and secure the pillars. Next, we're going to slide the side panels. We attached two side panels and the side base presses, so now we're going to put the screws. Next, we're going to put the other two side panels and attach them with screws. Next, we're going to keep the top frame, so we just have to insert this into the pillar frame. So if it's not fitting properly, we can use a rubber mallet and tap it. This is looking good, so as you can see, all the pieces fit together seamlessly. There are 4 pillar presses, so next we are going to install these.
From this hole to the edge and from this hole to the edge, the distance, the smallest one has to go on the top.
Okay. So this pillar press, we have to install it properly. We can use a rubber mallet to tighten it. We are fixing the handle and washer on the lid. We are almost there, so we are now connecting the lid. We are on to the final step, so we are connecting the gas spring. And there you have it, the Mirador Deck Box Horizon is all set up. It's ready to keep our outdoor space organized and stylish. With its spacious capacity, weatherproof design and easy assembly, this deck box has made my outdoor space so much more functional. Thanks for watching and bye!